Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to hide our default WordPress login page. This is an important security measure as hackers or attackers will not easily find the login address. There are many plugins to do so, however, we will be using the plugin which has the restore options in case of anything goes wrong. Also, I have been using it on many websites. For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Let's open our site. By login page, we mean wp-admin page or wp-login.php page. So we are going to change this. To do that, let's log into our dashboard, go to plugins and add new, and search for WP Hide and Security. So this is the plugin. Install the plugin and activate. Now click on WP Hide. The plugin also has the pro version, but free version also had lots of features. Anyway, so to rewrite this wp-admin, let's first click on rewrite. Please copy this link. If there's any issues in your website because of these changes or are locked out because of the plugin, you can reset it with this URL. Copy this link and keep it very safe. Anyway, I'll come to these details in the next video. Before that, let's first hide the admin page. Click on admin. Replace the name for wp-login.php. Give it any new name. I'll just write test and save it. Now we can log in from /test as well. However, wp-login.php is still accessible, so let's block access to this page. Click on show. Before blocking wp-login and clicking on yes, make sure our new URL, that is /test, works. So /demo/test. So this page works fine. And if I log in, it works fine. So now we can block wp-login page. Yes, and click on save. Sometimes you might be locked out, but that's fine. So we have now blocked /wp-login page. Now for the admin URL, which is wp-admin, so this one, let's give it a name, Nepal for now. Save it. I might be logged out. Okay, I am. /wp-admin, we can still log in. If you notice, it has changed to Nepal. So since wp-admin is still accessible, let's block it too. Go to WP Hide and go to admin and then go to admin URL. Now let's block wp-admin page. Show this and yes and save. So double checked, this has been done. Now if I try from incognito mode, if I go to wp-admin page, it is not found. Likewise, if I go to wp-login page, it's not found too. So to log in, we either need to go /Nepal or we can also go to /test and then we can easily log in. As you can see. Thus we have successfully changed the login URL. Suppose if anything happens and then you cannot log in, then the good thing about this plugin is we can get back with this URL which we saved earlier. To demonstrate, let me log out. Suppose we could not gain access to this page, so what we can do is we can simply paste this URL. So this recovers websites to default. That's about it. Now if I go to wp-admin or wp-login.php, it will work. Let's log into the website. If something is wrong, this recovery link is a lifesaver, so keep it safe. Anyway, click on WP Hide and go to Admin. So this has been automatically removed, as you can see. And if you wish, you can write it again, and the text test block wp-admin page. Go to admin URL, write Nepal, block this page and save. So now the URL works. So this is how you can change your login URL. And you also have the recovery link. So if in case you are ever logged out, alternatively, you can go to cPanel, File Manager, locate your files, go to WP Content. You will find Plugins folder there. Find WP and Security plugin, rename it. This will disable the plugin. You should then be able to log in. I hope this was a good lesson for you. Thank you very much.